ISO 100 1600. 4500 Kelvin, 400, 800. Putting all my leaves in here. This week is an installation for the winter pot. Let's see how the fish looks, how it's coming along. It's got another 15 minutes to go. We just had a SD card full error. I haven't had that in a long time. And I did format my card like 3 times today. Right. It's never a dull moment in my house, so I gotta go look at my sister's car. We got a scratch, an accident on it, most likely. It's the passenger side. Oh man, can you see it? I can't see it. We're gonna have to look at it at the daytime. Right here, you're not gonna see it. That's what she's probably crying about. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. I go back to cooking. Oh, don't touch. Don't touch. It's hot. Yeah, it is hot. So yeah, we have salmon for dinner. And it's a nice cooked piece of salmon. Flip it over. Bring it over to the flame. We'll come back later. Good low level shot, if you ask me. Leave it there with my hand. My hand's in here. You see, my hand is in here. Oh, I'm burning. If my settings are accurate enough, I think I am pretty good. Alright. So there's the fish, all cooked. Definitely indeed. Definitely a good shot, no light on. Ooh, look at that flame go. Have a great night, everybody.